Hi guys, you're welcome to Mommy Vicky's kitchen. How are you all doing? Hope you guys are all keeping safe in these trying times. My name is B Victorine and I'm a Cameroonian YouTuber based in Belgium. If you're new here, you're very much welcome. And to my old subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Please, if you're new here, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button at the right hand corner of your screen, and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a video. In today's episode of Cooking with Mommy Vicky, we are going to be preparing sese plantains or turning plantain. Guys, this is a one pot meal that's very easy to prepare. You know those days when you come back from school and you're very tired, or you come back from work, you're very tired. This is an easy recipe for you to follow. You just put everything in the pot and allow it to cook. It's that simple, guys. If you want to see how I came about this video, please keep watching. For this dish are unripe plantains. I have already peeled the plantains, washed and sliced them. And we need dry fish. This is goat meat, which is completely optional. You can use any beef of your choice. We have diced onion. We have plantains. This is bitter leaf, dry bitter leaf. You can use any greens of your choice, maybe spinach or any other green, but in Cameroon it is usually made with bitter leaves. Since I have dry bitter leaf, so this works really good for me because I have dry bitter leaf. You can use fresh spinach, crayfish, pepper. This is also optional for those who don't like pepper. This is very hot, so I have to use but half pepper. And then palm oil, red palm oil, salt, seasoning cubes or Maggi, ginger and garlics. So let's get started. We'll start by boiling the goat meat. Let's check how our goat meat is cooking. Our goat meat has been cooking for 20 minutes. So now we're going to add in the plantains. This meal is very easy to make, guys. Just putting everything on. Put the bitter leaf, put the dry fish and the palm oil. I think this is too much, so I'm going to put some and put water to cover the plantains. Allow this to cook again for 15 minutes. Our sese plantains have been cooking now for 15 minutes. So we add a bit of salt and 2 seasoning cubes or Maggi. And then you add the remaining crayfish and stir. allow this to cook again for another 20 minutes. Our plantain porridge has been cooking for another 20 minutes and it's ready, guys. Look at that. Okay guys, we've come to the end of the video and this is what the end result looks like. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and see you in my next video. Bye bye.